Hi, welcome to Origami Ocean. Today we'll be learning how to make origami pop-it. It's a simple fingertip toy. It is a modular origami and we need 3 modules to create this toy. I'll be taking 15 centimeter by 15 centimeter square sheet of paper and keeping the color side on the top. I'll be starting with the cross crease. Now keep the white side on the top. Bring these two tips to the center point. Turn the model and bring these two sides to the center crease. Fold these two corners inside as demonstrated. Now make a diagonal fold here. And lift the flap and keep the triangle inside and fold it back. Repeat the same thing on the other side. And tuck in the triangle as shown. Now lift the flap and fold it as demonstrated. Fold the triangle down and fold this triangle backwards. Pre-creasing is done. Now open the flaps. Here you can see a valley fold. Fold it back and convert into mountain fold. Now make 2 more modules like this. Now let's assemble it. Take one module. By keeping the triangle like this, insert the second module as shown. Now take the third module and keep it like this. Tuck in the first module and the second module. Now turn the module and tuck in the remaining flaps. Now your model will look like this. For the first time, make proper creases in this shape. To open it, just press in the center slightly, then pull out the corners. First 1 or 2 times it will be little rigid, but when you start using it, it will be very flexible and fun to play with. Origami Pop-It is done. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe. Don't miss out the videos which will be streaming on every Fridays. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you.